Everyone, last page here, I promise. We are just going to make sure that we've optimized our Shopify Contact Us page for mobile, following suit with the other pages we've done. This is it. It looked to be very responsive, so there's not a huge amount that we need to adjust. The only thing is, first of all, it's a matter of opinion, but I don't like that this stuff is aligned to the left. Especially if you're right-handed, you have to reach basically over here with your thumb to reach the button here. So I'm just going to make sure that everything is actually center aligned. Okay. Center aligned, definitely way too big on the font size here. 24 is too small. Let's go, I think 36 will be fine. 36 and maybe 30 for that. What happened? Yeah, that looks okay. At least at this point we can see the whole section on one without having to swipe down. Okay. Photo came out really nicely underneath that top section, and we can see that there's more content below here. We might want to shrink this font down a little bit too, but we can see the whole section, which I'm happy about, so I'll just leave that. We could just, of course, change the font size here. This part, I guess it would be important to have all these addresses on the page, even on mobile. So you'd want them all to show up for sure. But if you didn't, if you wanted to remove, I'll quickly review the advanced feature here. If you select the column and you come down to hide on, I would just click hide on mobile. I could repeat that for this, hide on mobile, right? And then it would just be 3 for them to scroll through. But like I said, on a Contact Us page, I think it's important that people be able to find what they need, especially if they're from one of these cities. So you definitely wouldn't want to hide that, okay? And then the bottom section looks just fine, okay? Strong, clear CTA, email address, nicely stacked on top of each other. So quick video there. Let's have a quick look. So we've aligned that and shrunk the text. If we go back to our normal page, it hasn't affected anything, okay? Just always remember to check your pages cross device, okay? And that'll finish the Shopify Contact Us page. Thanks, guys. Take care.